Hello, I hope you will join me to paint this line and wash otter using a really loose scribbly line. My name's Liz Chaderton. I'm a watercolour artist based in Berkshire and I love painting animals. I also really enjoy line and wash, and every so often when I've been doing something quite precise, I love using this scribbly mark to loosen up, relax and have some fun, and I hope you'll join me in that process. So though we are painting an otter, there are lots of lessons that we will learn that can be applied to all sorts of subjects. We will see how spending 5 minutes on a thumbnail and a bit of planning will save us lots of time down the line. We're going to loosen up and practice our scribble mark, which might sound a bit odd because surely everyone can scribble, but I will share lots of tips. Then we're looking at how to select colours to convey the emotion you want and help you tell the story you want. I'll also give you lots of tips about masking fluid and how to use that, and then how to pull it all together so that the line and the watercolour play their part to produce the final image. Everything is filmed in real time, nothing is speeded up. I don't cut out the good parts and keep those secret. I share as many tips as I can along the way. If things go wrong, and of course they go wrong, I'll show you how we can put them right. I try and make it as close as possible to sitting in my art studio with me, learning direct from me. So this is not filmed in a television studio. It doesn't have super fancy angles, but you will be able to see what's happening, you will be able to hear what's happening, and you will learn a huge amount. I love this technique because it's fun and it's fast and it's expressive. I use it with animals all the time. Look, here's another one. But this is also wonderful for human portraits. You're also invited to join my Facebook group if you use Facebook. It's a really nice supportive group, great place to share your work or ask for tips or just to get to know other artists. So I hope you can join me. Have a look at the materials list, make sure this is the right course for you, and I'll see you in there.